Now, children, I think the concept of the retreating monsoon as well as the winter rainfall should be clear to you, and the areas where it is received and the reason for it. Still, you can ask if you have any queries. Now we come to the characteristic features of southwest monsoons. Now, number one is the distribution of rainfall is not uniform, that is unevenly distributed, because the southwest monsoons causes rainfall in most of the country except Tamil Nadu in the summer season. The duration and amount of rainfall varies from 2 to 4 months. Even the amount of rainfall varies from region to region. Now, second is it is erratic in nature, meaning that sometimes parts of the country may be facing a fury of floods because of heavy rains, mostly in the plains, while the other parts may be reeling under severe droughts conditions due to scanty rain. That is, most of the northwest Rajasthan and rain shadow areas of Deccan Plateau, they receive less rainfall, whereas the windward side of the western Ghats, they receive very high rainfall. Now, it is the rainfall is orographic in nature, meaning relief rainfall. All the places receive rainfall because of an obstruction in the form of mountain, due to which the windward side receives heavy rainfall and the leeward sides receives less rainfall. Then it is formed because of the total reversal of the winds. So here, especially in the summer season, the northeast trade winds, they get diverted, or the wind system, the direction of the wind changes into southwest, and how they are changed, I have explained it in the factors as well as the southwest monsoons season also. In both the parts, it has been explained to you. So there is a total reversal of the wind system. Then the rainfall is unpredictable, though it is always mentioned that the rainy season, it begins from 1st June. Kerala is the first place where it is received in the month of May only, but it is highly unpredictable. Sometimes it comes early, sometimes it is late, and the reasons responsible for it is mainly the jet streams, again explained earlier. Then it is a periodic wind. In class 9, when you did periodic winds, there you had done two types of winds, that is land and sea breeze, and sea and land breeze, and then the monsoon winds. So these are periodic winds which come for 4 months from June to September, and after that they disappear. Then it is also very important for Indian economy, as agriculture is dependent upon its arrival and the amount of rainfall received. If there is no rainfall, then the agriculture is suffers, and if there is a lot of rainfall, then also agriculture suffers. So these are basically the characteristic features of monsoons. In your book, point number D and E will be cancelled because it does not come as an important characteristic features. So A, B, C and the other points which I have written, these will be written as the points of characteristic features. Now we come to the amount of rainfall received in the entire country. So here I made a table, and the first one is north, but it is north of Tropic of Cancer. The areas receiving more than 200 centimeters of rainfall is the southern slopes of eastern Himalayas, the Garo Khasi Jaintia Lushai Hills, commonly known as Assam Hills, and the states, it's Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh. In your book, Bangladesh is given, but that is not a state of India. That has to be cancelled. Mausiram in Cherrapunji receives the world's heaviest rainfall. Then the south of Tropic of Cancer, that is the western slopes of the Western Ghats, that is the windward side of the Western Ghats, the Konkan and the Malabar coast, they receive heavy rainfall. The states, western coastal plains of Kerala, Maharashtra, also coastal plains, Goa and Karnataka. Then we come to the next category between areas receiving rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters. In the north, it is in the middle Ganga Valley, comprising of the states Bihar, West Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh. In the south, northern part of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, southern part of Tamil Nadu, parts of Western Ghats, and eastern Maharashtra. States are Maharashtra and Odisha. Now, children, whenever you have to write about the states, don't forget to mention the direction or the area specified. Like if you write Andhra Pradesh only, you will not get marks. You will have to write northern part of Andhra Pradesh, southern part of Tamil Nadu, parts of Western Ghats, and eastern Maharashtra. Then in states, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha is written. That is, whole of that area must be getting rainfall between gets rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters. Then we come to the areas with 50 to 100 centimeters rainfall, that is Upper Ganga Valley in the north, eastern Rajasthan. So, eastern Rajasthan here is important. States part of Punjab, Haryana, Kashmir with a short rainy season. Now, in the south, the southern Deccan Plateau comprising the plateau regions of Karnataka. This has to be mentioned. Then in states, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Areas with less than 50 centimeters of rainfall. In the northern region, it is western Rajasthan, southern Punjab, and northernmost part of Kashmir. And in the south, the areas is regions of Deccan in the rain shadow of West Bengal. So, on the whole, annual rainfall decreases towards the north and westward in the northern parts of the subcontinent, and over peninsular India, the rainfall decreases towards the interior. So, these were the main uh, areas receiving rainfall and the amount of rainfall received.